Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam and we're getting ready to make some corned beef and hash patties. Oh my goodness, these are amazing corned beef and hash patties. They are simple, easy, quick, and use a lot of ingredients that you probably already have in your pantry. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, and made from scratch, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn on that notification bell so you'll always get my videos every time I upload one. And then just keep hanging around the channel. Watch a video or two because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. We are back and we're getting ready to go over our ingredients. Star of the dish, the corned beef. Yes, I am using canned corned beef today. Why? Well, because in my particular area, between the food shortages, food inflation, food scarcity, corned beef is about $78 for a corned beef. So we're not going there right now, okay? We are using canned corned beef. And we have our potatoes. Now these potatoes have already, this is just one large potato, and I diced it and boiled it. So it's already ready to go because it needed to cool down. And then we're gonna need a medium carrot. We're gonna grate that. That's straight from my garden. And we have some scallions, green onions, again, straight from my garden. We have some panko bread crumbs and onion and our seasonings. You're gonna need a little oil as well to cook them in. So let's go ahead and get this corned beef and hash done. You can smell it already. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is take our potatoes and we want to just mash them lightly. You don't want them completely like mashed potatoes. You still want a little texture in there, but you do want to get them mashed. Okay, that's good enough. From here, we're going to add all of our other ingredients, starting with our corned beef. Add in your onions and carrots. Add in your lightly beaten egg. And our seasonings. Garlic powder, onion powder, and a little Himalayan salt. Now you want to mix all of this together really well. Once we have this mixed together, we're going to put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for about 30 minutes. And we'll be back. We're ready to get our corned beef and hash patties fried up. You want to put a little oil in here. We're not deep frying, so you don't need a ton of oil. So make sure it goes all around the pan here. Just a little bit more oil. Form a nice little patty. Kind of try to shape it round if you like to do that. Then you want to put it into the panko crumbs, panko bread crumbs. You want to coat your corned beef and hash patties with the panko bread crumbs. Both sides, make sure they're well coated. Once your skillet seems to be a little hot, you can go ahead and put your patty down in there. Shake off the excess as always. And just get it gently into the oil. Okay. I am going to go ahead and make up the rest of these patties, and I'll see you back in a minute to check on our corned beef and hash. Okay, so our first batch is ready to come out. Yes, look at this, look at this. Doesn't this look amazing? Oh my goodness, it is so hot, but look how nice and golden brown that is. Absolutely amazing. Okay, I'm gonna get these on out of here and we'll be back. And I cooked the second batch and it's time to plate up. Delicious. Yes. My goodness. All right, we are all done. I have gone ahead and plated these up. Don't they look amazing? Don't forget to give the video a like. I would really appreciate it. Oh my goodness, delicious, delicious. I'm just gonna garnish them just a little bit with a little parsley. Just a little parsley around. Thank you all so much for coming and hanging out with me today in my kitchen. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.